Hey guys, today I am teaching you how to make a flashlight app for your mobile. So for that, just get a button here and rename the button as on. Change the text for the button one as O and on. Okay, now align vertically, center, align horizontally, center. You can also change its text size to 40, text bold, shape oval. Now you need a flashlight. It is not given in this, but I have earlier told you we will use extension to import extension. For that, just go on Google and type and go on this whichever the first one appear, that is puravidapps.com. Go on this, click on this and go at the end of it. Here it is written download Typhoon flashlight extension. Just click on this. Soon your download will start. See, the download has been started here. Okay, it has been downloaded. Now, to import extension, click on this extension and click import extension. Choose file, that is on the download area. See this one. Open. Click on import. You will see soon the Typhoon flashlight has been imported. See this. Just drag it here on the screen. It is a non-visible component, so it is not showing. Now go to block. Now go on, click whenever the user clicks on, just do what? Check. For that we need an if. If the text is on, if button1.text is on, for this we need a comparison box. Bring a comparison box and change it to equal. If button1.text is equal to on, then call Typhoon flashlight 1.on and change the text of the button to off. I will, after doing it, tell you why I have done this, changing the text to off. Just duplicate or wait, just make an else or wait, just duplicate this. If button1.text is equal to off or typhoon1.flashlight to off and change the button1.text to on. Now, if a user wants a single button to be used as multiple tasking, for that you need to change its text. To change the text, the set command is used. Set whatever the button one name is dot text to and bring a text box and write the name which you want. Suppose now here, whenever the user clicks on this on, the flashlight of the phone which you are using will be on and the text here will appear as off. that whenever you will click this off, the flashlight will be off and the text will become as on. So if you like my video, please give an likes, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe.